Welcome to the course entitled, What is the Vibe? An Introduction. As the title suggests, this is an overview, or an introduction, to this thing that we call the vibe. And yes, I do mean that vibe. Vibes, vibrations, energies, the mood of a crowd, the atmosphere of a room, the emotional connection between you and your best friend, and the energy between you and the rest of the world. So why does the vibe matter? It matters because we all talk about the vibe and we all refer to the vibe. Good vibes, bad vibes, chill vibes, ugly vibes. I vibe, you vibe, we all vibe. But despite all this vibe talk, rarely do people take the time to define the vibe, explain the vibe, and understand the vibe. And that's what this course is all about. What exactly is this thing that we call the vibe? My name is Jason Del Gandio, and I will be your instructor for the course. I have a PhD in Communication Studies, and I've been studying the vibe for over 25 years. I'm a published author, an award-winning teacher, and an engaged intellectual. But more than all of that, I am genuinely excited to share this course with you, where we will explore the vibe together. This course seeks to do three things. First, to expand your understanding of the vibe. Second, to improve your conversations about the vibe. And third, to deepen your experience of the vibe. If these things interest you, then this is the course for you. What is the vibe? An introduction.